start.
ये Ebron का this is a Ebron slide warming table which is a thermostatic. There is a wire which is 220 volt. We attach it on the side, and then there are on position, and this is a thermostat. It starts from 30 degree, 40 degree, 50, 60. It goes up to 100. But generally, these are used at 50 to 60 degree for heating the melting the slide. This indicator shows heating is on. Indicator off will be this main current is coming. There is off position here, then there is on position, and there is a on off position. I make it here, use it on this, and now see thermostatically it will switch on and off. The stainless steel top is there. Please visit the website www.ebronexports.com or send us an email ebron01@gmail.com. Very useful for histopathology. Now it is switched off automatically when the temperature is maintained. This is becoming hot. It will again start. Please subscribe to our channel and send us some requirements. And this is for histopathology or microbiology labs. Thank you very much.